Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to easily change the wallpaper in the Aloha Lite Browser on your mobile device. If you want to personalize your browsing experience and make it more visually appealing, this tutorial is perfect for you. First, open the Aloha Lite Browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Settings icon. Then, once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on Appearance to open the Display Customization options. After that, tap on the camera icon to start choosing your wallpaper. Next, you will be asked to allow permission for the browser to access your photos and media. Click on Allow to proceed. Then, browse through your phone and select the wallpaper you want to use. Finally, tap on Select at the top to apply the wallpaper to your browser. Your browser should now display the new wallpaper, giving it a fresh and personalized look. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new browser look.